In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs, a powerful tool for generating audio content. Whether you're creating voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or presentations, ElevenLabs offers a range of speech options that can significantly enhance your projects. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can make the most of this innovative platform. First, let's start by opening your web browser. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's the foundation of accessing any online tool. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth experience as you navigate the features of ElevenLabs. Next, navigate to the ElevenLabs website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser's address bar or by searching for ElevenLabs in a search engine. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that gives you access to all the tools you'll need. To start using the platform, you'll need to register. You can do this using your email address or an OAuth provider like Google or Facebook for a quicker sign-up process. Registering an account is essential as it provides you access to a personalized dashboard where you can manage your projects. During the registration process, ElevenLabs will ask you a few questions to personalize your account. These questions help tailor your experience by identifying your specific audio needs. It's important to answer these questions accurately to ensure you get the best possible service from the platform. Once your account is set up, you'll be asked to choose a plan. ElevenLabs offers various plans catering to different levels of usage. Select the one that aligns with your needs and provide your payment details to complete the sign-up process. Keep in mind that choosing the right plan is crucial to get the best value for your investment. After you've successfully logged in, you'll have full access to the ElevenLabs dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard is your central hub, where you can explore different speech options like text-to-speech or speech-to-speech, adjust voice settings, apply sound effects, and streamline your workflow. Once you've configured your audio settings and generated the desired audio, you have options to either download the audio file or use it directly within your project. This flexibility is particularly useful for creators who wish to incorporate audio seamlessly into their content. And there you have it. With these steps, you're ready to tap into the full potential of ElevenLabs. Whether you're a seasoned audio producer or someone just starting, this tool provides you with the capabilities necessary to make your project stand out. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you create incredible audio content that captivates your audience. Don't forget to explore all the features and maybe even experiment a little to see what best suits your needs. Happy creating!